Hello and welcome to a new MuSkeMo tutorial. This is Pasha van Bijlert speaking. MuSkeMo is my tool for constructing, visualizing, and analyzing musculoskeletal models in Blender. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download and install both Blender and MuSkeMo, even if you don't have administrator privileges on your computer. So to start off, I'm actually going to start by downloading Blender itself, just so you can see that you actually don't need administrator privileges, because if you go to blender.org and go to download, and instead of clicking this big blue button over here, you can click other versions and then download a portable version of Blender. The portable versions don't actually require installing, and they're still fully functional versions. So if you lack administrator privileges, this might be a good option for you. So if you download this, I've actually already downloaded it, so I'm not going to download it. You can unpack the zip, because it comes in a zip, and then you get this folder. If you double click on Blender, Blender will start up. Now, MuSkeMo is not installed yet, so let's download and install MuSkeMo. So MuSkeMo is a plugin for Blender, and you can download it from the Github page. This is my GitHub, Pasha van Bijlert /MuSkeMo, and all you need to do is click the latest release. Just always download the latest release. If you click on this button, and click on muskemo.zip, that's the file that you want. So if we go to the intro tutorial, we can download it. As you can see, I've already downloaded it before. Now in muskemo.zip, if you open it quickly, you can see that there's just one folder called MuSkeMo, and if you open that again, you will see some things, including the manual. It's a full written manual that is quite extensive, so it might be worth having a look if you're interested in some of the advanced features possible in MuSkeMo. It also contains a folder called MuSkeMo Utilities. These are some extra functions that add functionality. They're all described in the manual. And there's the scripts folder, and this is where the actual plugin lives. Now, to install this into Blender, all you need to do, once you've downloaded the plugin, you go to File, Edit, Preferences, and then click on Add-ons. And then we want to install a new add-on. So to do that, you press this arrow over here and click Install from Disk. You have to navigate to where you just downloaded the files, and then just click on muskemo.zip, click Install from Disk. It's now been installed, and as you can see, it's immediately available. We now have this panel over here. So in the future, MuSkeMo might be available on the extensions platform, and then you could search for it online and install it through there. But for now, it's only available by downloading it manually. So now that we have installed MuSkeMo, MuSkeMo is now available here on the right. You can see in all of these different panels, these are default for Blender, and this is MuSkeMo. This is where MuSkeMo lives. In the next tutorials, I'm going to show you how to navigate Blender and MuSkeMo's user interface, and eventually even how to create full models. In the meantime, if you run into any issues while either using MuSkeMo or even while installing it, you can go to Github and submit an issue on the issues page, and I'll try to help you solve your problem.